Hello everyone, hope you're fine and doing great. Today I'm here with another new video in which I will tell you how you can solve your speaker problem or your ear speaker problem or your calling speaker problem in your device Realme Gt 2 Pro. But firstly, if you are new to the channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon so you can get the new videos. Now let's move toward the video. If your ear speaker or your calling speaker is not working in your device Gt 2 Pro, you can solve it by the way as I am showing in the video. Just follow the steps and watch complete video. Let's watch the video.